Blue cardinal. Check him out. Some kind of hybrid. It's a cardinal. See, he's still got the red on his wingtips. Check this guy out. Check it out. It's a purple cardinal. Or bluish purple. Amazing. I've never seen that in my life. Check this guy out. It's a cardinal. It was blue like my truck. That's one of God's little miracles right there. What a beautiful little bird. I'll have to call him King Cardinal. You know, my whole life I was always told that daddy long-legged spiders can't bite you. Well, last Friday I got bit. On my arm.